state cadastre of natural territories and resorts. Thank you for inviting me. Thanks for our cooperation. I'd like to thank our military for making it possible for us to hold events like this and to carry on doing what we're doing. Today we'll talk about resorts, and I'll tell you how this is related to NSDR, and maybe we'll find some new partners for this project. Now we have 38 natural territories and resorts. 31 of them were built back in the Soviet Union, and legislation did not reflect any changes yet, but we're working on this. 7 resorts of national status are qualified such according to the legislation, but 11 of them are under occupation now, and we have no data on their current status. So let's recall our results. The Carpathians, the south of Ukraine, the Black Sea, the Seas of Azov, the largest desert in Europe, the results of Morshing, Truskavets, Mirgorod, Shayan, the Crimean Peninsula, a unique tourist destination which I'm sure will become one of the hallmarks of our tourism. The law of Ukraine on resorts specifies that each territory or resort has specified boundaries and protected zones. You can see a scheme of how this happens. The red one is a strict regiment zone. Within this zone, you cannot do anything except what is related to the use of medicinal resources. The second zone is the zone of softer limitations, the orange one. This is the zone where people can live, but there are some restrictions as well. And the green zone, the observation zone, which has even fewer limitations, but it is protected by the state. The problem is that all those zones exist only on paper and only in the law. Unfortunately, they are not reflected in the land cadastre or any other geoinformational systems. As a result, the medicinal resources which we have on the territory of resorts are being used chaotically, and we cannot ensure that they are properly guarded and preserved for the future. A little bit of statistics. First, about the bad news. The users of land plots which are within protected zones fail to meet the restrictions prescribed by the law, and more than 400 enterprises operate in those territories violating the law. Before the large-scale invasion, our resorts received more than 20 million, 2.4 million visitors per year, and they contributed up to 40 billion hryvnias in revenues. The solution of the problem that I'm talking about is about drafting a cadastre. We need to do this, but we have neither finance nor specialists for this. So we're thankful to the university for helping us with this project. As regards the prospects for geospatial data, which will be the foundation of this cadastre, I hope that in the near future we will be able to specify the restriction boundaries and to ensure state protection procedures to make sure that next generations will be able to use our unique health benefit resources at our resort sites without factories without plants, so that those territories would be developed through the revenues from the resorts located with them. On this slide, you can see my contacts, and I'd like to address the students and the faculty. We are ready to employ a full-time person who will be able to help us with this project. This is my telephone number, all my contacts. Please send in your resumes, and we will be happy to cooperate with you. Thank you very much.